Hello, Dr. Vels here. I have a Dell Optiplex 790 desktop PC. I could not get updated graphics drivers for it for Windows 10. So, to get around this problem, I purchased a low-profile MSI GeForce GTX 1050 Ti graphics card, which fits nicely into the case of the 790. I use HDMI to a portable television, and the television shows the picture and also plays the sound. Except when I installed the graphics card and the driver, I could not get any sound. If I play this file, it should play sound. But as you can hear, it does not. I could not get sound to work on things such as media player, MAME, software-defined radio, Opera browser showing YouTube and things like that. But when I played Elite Dangerous, the sound was working, as can be heard here. So what's going on? What is the situation and what is causing this? Well, it's all down to the display settings. When Elite Dangerous loads, it changes screen resolution, and it may also change the display refresh rate. I will demonstrate. Here I have SDR console running. It's currently tuned into a station and I cannot hear any audio. If I start Elite Dangerous, the display resolution changes and audio can be heard from SDR console. Coming out of Elite, then the audio has gone again. This is not just a problem with SDR console. If I try to play some music, nothing is heard. But if I go into Elite, the audio is there. Come out of Elite and nothing is there. If I change the display settings, at the moment I'm set to 1366 by 768. If I change that to 1280 by 720, still no sound. If I go into advanced display settings, the refresh rate at the moment is 59.887 Hz. If I change it to 60 Hz, there is audio coming from the computer. And that is the answer to the problem. Amazing, isn't it? Well, I hope that helps you in solving your audio problem, and I hope to see you again on the next video. Have fun and take care.